Hello viewers, welcome to my new channel Ryan's Chemistry Academy. In my channel I am going to create more videos about easy to learn chemistry. So please do support my channel for more chemistry videos. Please subscribe, share and click on the bell icon for getting the notification of my new videos. Hello dear students, hi everyone. This process I am going to explain about the process of smelting. So smelting process is always carried out like this blast furnace. So this process is used to extract the metal from their ores. Here the charge consisting of roasted ore, coke and limestone in the ratio 8:4:1 is smelted in a blast furnace by introducing it through the hopper arrangement at the top. Here in the smelting process, that roasted ore is mixed with coke and limestone in the ratio of 8:4:1. The whole mixture is allowed to passes through the blast furnace using one hopper arrangement at the top. At the top, one hopper like arrangement is that through the hopper, the mixture have to be introduced to the furnace. So there are three important regions in the furnace is given. So the three important regions, three variations of chemical reaction takes place, and finally we will get a pure metal, that is iron. So in this process we have to consider the metallurgy of iron and consider the first region, that is called as a lower region. So lower region, it is also called as compression zone. Compression means the burning of any compound react with oxygen with the liberation of heat energy. That is called as only compression reaction. So compression reaction, it involved in the evaluation of heat energy. So here the chemical reaction takes place in the lower region called as exothermic reaction. The temperature is maintained in the lower region, that is 1500 degrees Celsius. So at this temperature, the carbon, that is coke, react with oxygen to form. The combustion of carbon takes place with oxygen at a temperature of 1500 degrees Celsius, leads to the formation of carbon dioxide and heat. The hot gases passes through, the one way out is given. So through the way out, the hot gases passes out. So this is a exothermic reaction due to the evolution of heat energy. So next is the middle region. Middle region is called as a fusion zone. Here the temperature prevails at 1000 degrees Celsius. At 1000 degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide react with carbon to form carbon monoxide. Here the reaction takes place by the absorption of heat energy. So carbon dioxide, the carbon, that is coke, reduces carbon dioxide into carbon monoxide by the absorption of heat energy at the temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. So this is called as endothermic reaction. So in the same region, at the same temperature, another chemical reaction also takes place, that is calcium carbonate. It is nothing but limestone. Limestone decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide by the absorption of heat energy. So these two reactions are considered as the endothermic reaction due to absorption of heat. So one is reduction of carbon dioxide into carbon monoxide, reaction with carbon with the absorption of heat energy. Second one, limestone is nothing but calcium carbonate decompose into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide by the absorption of heat energy. So these two reaction takes place in the middle region at the temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius. So these are called as endothermic reaction. So finally the calcium oxide react with silica. Silica is nothing but the sand particle. So both of them reacting together to form calcium silicate. The calcium silicate is removed as a slag. It's like a waste. It is removed as a slag. So these type of reaction changes happen in the middle region. The final one, the upper region. The upper region is called as a reduction zone. In the reduction zone, at a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius, the ore is nothing but iron oxide. The iron oxide, when it is react with carbon monoxide, the carbon monoxide reduces iron oxide into iron with the evolution of carbon dioxide. So Fe2O3, this is the ore. This is reactive with carbon monoxide. So reduction reaction takes place at the temperature of 400 degrees Celsius. So the ore is nothing but ferric oxide reduces into ferrous, that is iron, with the evolution of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas, it can be evolved, so it can be easily removed. So this molten iron is collected at the bottom of the furnace after removing the slag. So this iron obtained from the smelting process is called as a pig iron. Again it is remelted and cast into different molds. This iron is called as a cast iron. The first is obtained, the last after the upper region, that iron called as a pig iron. It is remelted and remolded in different molds. So finally it is used for our day-to-day life. So that iron is called as a cast iron. So these are all the concept about smelting process. In smelting process, heating and melting and takes place. The main used to extract the metal from their ore. So 3 important region reactions are there. One by one I explain. So this is the concept about smelting process. Thank you, students. Hope you like this video. So please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.